Okay, this is the black stealth reusable tactical zip tie handcuff with key, 3rd generation. This is the pouch. This pouch not provided on, you have to buy separate. So we have this, you undo, so you can remove. This is to make sure you don't lose your handcuff. So you remove, you don't want to use it, leave it like that on standby also can. So when you pull it out, it will open up a little bit like this for you, so you can faster put in the feather. The edges are all properly rounded, so it's not sharp, won't cut that feather. So why people want this is because you got a handcuff key. So with this key, when you pull, with the key you can undo it. So why this is important is because it's for the safety. When you pull too tight, tighten too much, that feather hand turn purple, you have to cut it off. But this one, if you can loosen it a little bit, then you can undo a bit. So this is the most important thing with a new generation like this. Then what else? So there's a yellow version. So the yellow version works exactly the same. It has higher visibility. If you want to use it as training, you can use it as a separate. For your training use, the black one for operational use. So this is the black stealth generation 3. Don't mix up with the older ones. This one so separately.